Senior BJP leader Dr. Manik Saha was today sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Tripura in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a grand ceremony in Swami Vivekananda Ground in Agartala for the second consecutive time. International Women's Day is being celebrated today. On the occasion of International Women's Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid his tribute to the achievements of the country's Nari Shakti. The Enforcement Directorate has summoned Bharat Rashtra Samiti leader K. Savitha for questioning in the Delhi excise policy case tomorrow. Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese will arrive in Ahmedabad today. During his 4-day tour, Albanese is scheduled to visit Mumbai and Delhi as well. Indian-American Arun Subramaniam has been confirmed as first South Asian District Judge for the Southern District of New York.